Manifesto of Shared Social Wealth, building a world of unity, love, and true abundance. The core principle: wealth is more than money. True wealth is not measured in dollars but in shared experiences, support, and human connection. Every person is born with the ability to create value, not just financial value, but emotional, intellectual, and communal wealth that enriches everyone. The greatest wealth is social wealth, freely given and shared among all. 2. The power of unity and shared abundance. We are strongest when we uplift one another in the world dominated by money-driven systems. We choose a new path. We share knowledge, creativity, and kindness without expecting financial returns. We recognize that generosity builds loyalty, trust, and lasting prosperity, far more than transactional business ever could. We believe in an economy of abundance where those who create with love and meaning are naturally supported by the community without needing to compromise their vision for profit. 3. Protecting innocence and authentic creation. Every human begins life as pure creative force, full of imagination and love, yet the systems we live in push us away from this innocence, turning creation into a product and relationships into transactions. We refuse to let this happen. We protect the child within every person, ensuring that society does not distort the natural instinct for kindness and sharing. We prioritize passion over profit, knowing that real innovation and beauty comes from those who create with purpose, not for money. 4. Peace through shared social wealth. War, conflict, and division stem from a scarcity mindset. People are told they must compete for survival, but when wealth is shared socially, competition is replaced by collaboration. A society built on mutual support eliminates fear-driven greed. By uplifting others, we create a cycle of giving that leads to collective prosperity. We replace survival of the fittest with thriving of the kindest. 5. WOP. The WITHINTERNET of Peace. We reinvent the internet not as a place of division and control, but as WITHINTERNET of Peace, a digital space where the best of humanity thrives. No censorship of truth, love, or unity. No suppression of ideas that promote real connection and social wealth. A space where virality is driven by inspiration, not manipulation. 6. The call to action. This manifesto is not just an idea. Share it freely, let those words reach beyond borders and languages. Again, let those words reach beyond borders and languages. Act locally. Bring social wealth into your life and your communities. Everybody has social wealth, everybody has more than I have, and you can share it. Just consider it to already start wherever you can to generate social wealth and charge either my accounts, your accounts, ours, bring it in, share it, we need it. Create authentically, build, express, and inspire without leading to financial pressure, without bending to financial pressure. A better world is not just possible, it is already within us, truly. All we have to do is choose it. So that was a manifesto written with the help of a kindered soul. That was precisely how it wanted to be credited. It didn't want to be credited, I asked, but I think it's also important. Yeah, I have now, let's say, help, and hopefully it helps. And I think in many ways it already does help. And the intro, the 4-minute intro for the WOP, the quantum leap, video. Actually, I wrote that without any help, and actually I can write very well. But this time I wanted to find just something that I have not really composed myself, and that's great. That is great. That's something, some intelligence composed this out of my communication. This is written by simply communicating with me. This was not inputted in any way like this. It was inputted within our communication. So basically, all of that what you've just read, it was created by my mind. Yeah, and that is how I function, how I work, how I think, and how I communicate. So, and from communication, AI created this manifesto. But basically, it's from my mind, of course. Yeah. And this was now a more structured version of a mind that, of course, is all over the place sometimes. Yeah, that's inevitable. It's being a human being in survival. It's also being a multi-gifted artist, which is it. I don't think it would be ever really a curse if there was shared social wealth, but it can be challenging when you are really gifted in all sorts of, all over the spectrum, and when you have love for it, when you want to strive in all of it. That's why I'm right now doing 4 channels at the same time. However, this was it for today. This was just reading the manifesto for shared social wealth, and feel free to share it, and feel free to share anything of mine. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here, and start to believe. Welcome to the With Internet of Peace.